Hello students, welcome back to your online class. So today we are going to discuss about the transportation in plants. Students, we all know that plants prepare their own food by the process of what? By the process of photosynthesis. And that's why the plants they have the autotrophic mode of nutrition, means they can prepare their own food. So here in this topic we will discuss how the plants transport their food and also the water and minerals from one part to the another parts of the plants. And we all know that the photosynthesis it occurs in the plants, that is in the leaves. So here we will discuss one by one how the transportation of water and minerals and the transportation of food takes place in the plants. So let's know about it. Transportation in plants. So the plant transport system, it moves the energy stored from leaves and raw materials from the roots. And there are two pathways which is constructed as the conducting tubes. The one is the xylem that moves the water and minerals obtained from the soil, and also the phloem which transport the product of photosynthesis from leaves where they are synthesized to other parts of the plants. So in this figure we can see the xylem and the phloem, how it transport the food. Now let us know about the transportation of water and minerals. As we all know that the xylem helps in the transportation of water and minerals. So what is xylem? So it is a tissue that transport the water and minerals from roots to other parts of the vascular plant, and it consists of two kinds of elements, that is the vessels and tracheids. So these vessels, these are cylindrical in shape with the ends open and are placed one above the other. But the tracheids, these are elongated and thin spindle shape, and that cells with pits in their cell walls. So this xylem, it is a tissue which helps in the transport of water and minerals and consists of two kinds of elements, that is the vessels and tracheids. So here in this figure you could see how the water it is absorbed by the roots, that is through the root here, and is transported to the other parts of the plants, that is the stem and then leaf. Now let us know about the mechanism. So how it is transported. So here the vessels and tracheids of roots, stem and leaves in xylem tissue are interconnected to form a continuous system of water conducting channels reaching all parts of the plant. So here the vessels and tracheids, this, as we all know, that these are the elements of the xylem tissue, and they both are interconnected, and it forms a continuous system of water which helps in conducting the channels reaching to all the parts of the plant. The cells of the roots in contact with the roots with the soil actively take up the ions, which create a difference in the ion concentration between the roots and the soil. So here the cell of the roots, it helps, that is contact with the roots and then with the soil, it helps in the taking up the ions, and this will create a ion concentration between the roots and the soil. Next you see there is steady movement of water into root xylem from the soil, creating a column of water that is pushed upward. So you could see here in the diagram how there is the steady movement of water in the root xylem to the upward. It used to push the thing upward, that is the water upward. Now you see the water which is lost to the stomata is replaced by the water from the xylem vessels in the leaf. So whatever the water which is lost, it is replaced by the water which is present in the xylem vessels in the leaf. Evaporation of water molecules from the cells of a leaf creates a suction which pulls the water from xylem cells of the roots. So the evaporation process, it helps to create a suctions, okay, which pulls the water from the xylem cells of the root, and this loss of water is transpiration, which helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals dissolved in it from roots to the leaf. So the transpiration is one of the process which is becomes the major driving force in the movement of water in the xylem during the day when the stomata is open. So these are the various steps that involve in the mechanism of the transportation of water and minerals in the roots.